Marten Transport is a over-the-road trucking company. We're pretty big on the logistics side as well. Our goal was to lower our carbon footprint within our scope of work, and solar was a big contributor to that. I met with Michael at All Energy Solar, and he came down for an audit. He was very professional and transparent and detailed, and I really appreciated that.
It's our job to help them understand the benefit of this alternative energy solution, which is going to provide them with a tremendous amount of predictable energy savings long term.
We decided with All Energy Solar because they had the stability and the bandwidth to offer a turnkey approach that we desperately needed.
One of the things that really struck me when we first got introduced to the team here at Marten is how this business really operates like a family business, and I feel like that's what we bring at All Energy Solar too. Those synergies really helped us align with Marten.
The whole process was very fluent and it was very detailed. Michael and All Energy did a great job expediting certain facilities that we needed expedited.
Our relationship with Marten and every customer that we serve, it's really a commitment for us to serve them full service all the way through the project when it comes to service, monitoring, warranty management, anything else they might need long term as that project lives out its useful life. We started with 3 locations that are here in the headquarter town of Mondovi, the headquarter office, as well as their tractor and trailer mechanic shops.
We were so impressed with their transparency throughout the whole setup that we then decided to use All Energy to do our whole network across the U.S.
It's led to a great portfolio of work, and one that we continue to focus on today is they're growing, building, and renovating their facilities around the U.S. as we speak. Now we have 17 projects completed with them to date and more on the horizon. We're providing projects that offer a lot of long-term operational cost savings to their properties. And I also know that based on the extent of the solar incentives that are available, they're seeing a lot of their initial capital investment returned really expeditiously through some of those programs.
Choosing All Energy Solar was one of the smarter things we did here at Marten Transport. It's helped us a lot on the ROI side, but more importantly is our sustainability and carbon footprint, and it's helped us offset a lot of energy.